guys, what is this?
Mouth.
Okay, what is that?
The nose.
Okay, that's the part. What are these things right here?
Gills.
Okay, and let's see. Where is the dorsal fin? Dorsal. Remember, the dorsal is the one on top. That's the dorsal fin. Okay, where is the caudal fin? Where's the no, caudal's in the back. It's the tail. The caudal fin's in the back, the tail. All right, we're gonna turn our sharks upside down now that we've found all the parts.
Sharks have cartilage and they don't have any bones. It's hard sandpaper. Yeah, and on his dorsal fin there's a spine. If somebody tries to bite him on a dorsal fin, they get a spine in their mouth. His other dorsal fin, if they're gonna bite him by a tail, he'll get spine's mouth again too.
Good job.
They have gills, dorsal fin, they're slimy, and they have the caudal fin. Right now, we're cutting open a shark right now and it's super stinky. We are cutting the shark open.
Emma, it's okay.
A dogfish shark. Yeah, good job reading that, bub. Oh, there we go. All right. It's okay.
They're cutting it open.
And what are we gonna see?
It's heart and the babies inside of it. And the heart. So glad.
And I don't want
We found the stomach and liver. The stomach was fish and shrimp. Fish and shrimp. We had a whole fish and stomach. We found some babies. We found 2 babies.
I think there was 3. Yeah, I think there was 3.
3?
Hold it up, Alton. Show her that one right there.
Hold the baby up.
Pick up a baby and show it to the camera.
Okay, I'll pick a baby.
Yeah, you guys need to leave your clothes on.
We have a girl shark and inside we found a baby shark. We're taking out babies.
Yeah, good job.
I found babies and the mommy had food in it. It had a stomach and there's teeth in the mouth. There's lungs and the mama shark had a tail. I found 100. That was 5. I find really babies.